Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. So this one we change by dy over dx. Next, I will put ds and s squared plus 1 go to the left, go to the right, y minus 1 go to the left. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So, the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y minus 1. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. And I will put about sign here. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 2. And now we put number 0 and number 2 cone here to find the value of c. So we see that ln number 1 you got 0. ln number 1 you got 0 in here. So c equals to number 0. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.